are we going to do today? Well, this is something I tried to do last year, but I couldn't find one of the key ingredients. And the key ingredient is rhubarb. Now, what are we going to make? I'm going to make some Strawberry Rhubarb Moonshine. Alright, so I never had rhubarb before. Raw, I tasted it. It was very, very bitter. So I'm hoping this will be very good. Everybody tells me it's delicious. They make a lot of rhubarb pie. They make, it's great for top of ice cream. And if it's all that, it's got to be great in moonshine, right? Okay, but first things first. Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Happy Moonshine Wednesday. I've been doing this for a few Wednesdays now, and I'm really starting to enjoy this. And I'm getting my collection up for the summertime. Alright, so, one thing I gotta mention. Hey, if you really want to help this channel out, all you gotta do is please hit that subscribe button. It would be a great big help, and I really would appreciate it. Alright, so let's get, okay, I already washed this rhubarb. And the very first step is, and I didn't know this, but they say that the leaves are toxic, so throw those away. Alright? Alright, I'll get rid of this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just cut this up in small chunks, and then we're going to put them in a skillet, and then we're going to cook them with some sugar and water. And that will make our syrup, our rhubarb syrup for our shine. Okay? So let me just cut these up. I mean, like I said, I'm using 2 stalks. My plan is to make 2, well, it's going to be kind of 2 quarts, but once you take the strawberries out, so you'll be a little less, but that's okay. So we're going to cut these rhubarbs up. Alright. I need to stir these in a pan. Okay, so let's, first thing we're going to do is let's mix in 2 cups of sugar. There's 1. And 2 cups of sugar. And that is 2 cups of water. Now it will reduce down. Okay. Let me get that started. Alright, and I'll be right back. Okay, once it starts simmering, and just keep stirring it. Once it starts simmering, I think it's going to take right around 8 minutes, and then it'll be done. So it's just starting to simmer very little bit right now. So let's say in 8 minutes we'll be back. Okay? Alright, while that's finished cooking, it's looking good. I guess what we're making is like a rhubarb syrup. Alright, so while that's cooking, let's get some of our strawberries ready. So all we want to do is cut the greens off of it. And The rhubarb will be done here shortly. I guess I should. I'll just cut these strawberries in half. Alright, let me get all these strawberries ready. And then I'm thinking this is just about done. I'm letting it reduce a little bit. Oh, another minute. Another minute. Alright, so let me let that reduce a little bit. Let me work on some of these strawberries and then we'll come back. I'm going to strain the big pieces of rhubarb out. It smells good. Really cooked down. Look at the color. It's kind of neat. I like that. Let that drain for a little bit. Alrighty, so we got all the ingredients for our strawberry rhubarb shine. Well, let's put it together. Okay, so I ended up with 2 cups of the rhubarb syrup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 cup. I got a half-gallon mason jar, so I'm going to put 1 cup of it in each one. Alright, and that's going to give us some sweetness to our shine. Alright, it looks nice, don't it? Alright, so what I'm going to do in each jar after that is I'm going to put 2 cups, and this is 100 proof, so 2 cups. Alright, so there's about 2 cups of shine now. I bet that tastes good right there. The only thing I got left to do is we're going to put strawberries in each one. And I'm hoping that when this is all done, I can strain it all out and I should end up with about a quart, I'm thinking. All right. Whoop, one tried to get away. All right. Put a lid on that. I'll put that in a cool, dark spot. And I think about 2 weeks, this strawberries will turn white and it will be an amazing flavor. And I'll let you know what it tastes like. Alright, so after it's done. Don't that look good? Alright. Hey, just remember, make what you enjoy and enjoy what you make. Flavored shine is pretty darn delicious. It was a corn-based shine. I hope you like these Moonshine Wednesdays. Just let me know down in the comments. That'd be great. Okay, and let me know what your favorite shine is so far. And probably a couple more maybe, and then we'll give them a little bit of a taste, okay? If you got some ideas for a shine that you would like to see, hey, please give me an idea. I can always use all the ideas I can get hold of. Alright, last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.